Welcome to Colorado's beautiful Plateau Valley, where two adjoining irrigated parcels offer a rare opportunity just outside the town of Collbran and at approximately 40 miles east of Grand Junction. 555 Glenarm Avenue features 7.86 irrigated acres with gently rolling pasture, stunning views of Grand Mesa and Battlement Mesa, irrigation water rights, a paid water tap, nearby power, natural gas availability, and year-round access. Adjacent to the south, 58798 Delores Drive offers 10.87 irrigated acres with rolling hills, mature cedar trees, irrigation water rights, a paid water tap, nearby utilities, and equally breathtaking mountain views. Both parcels are zoned AFT, creating excellent potential for a custom home, horse property, small-scale agriculture, or future investment opportunities. Located just minutes from the brand new Plateau Valley K-12 school, local shopping, dining, parks, and medical services, these properties combine peaceful rural living with everyday convenience. If you want some more information, please feel free to give us a call.